Mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero ry'ihanga Anita Among yagambiwe yaba nabwa n'abanyishengero 30 abasingira karura kahwire batine kibina aha kitebe cya NRM okubasa kubano bakorendagano yo mukagone kibina cya NRM ngo bwa hatu basigize yakire kace bakamara y'abanyishengero bona kubatu mu kibina cya NRM nko muringo gukora simero mu ishengero.
As a party, we want to apologize whatever could have happened to the independent members of parliament. We know you came as an independent out of our own internal conflicts. But all that said and done, by God's grace, you are a member of parliament.
Ogu yayongera yagiranga abanyishengera batine kibina nibija kutunga ibya bikibina cya NRM baratunje.
Honorable members, one thing that we want to assure you as a party, that we will never let you move alone. The same benefits that NRM will get is the same benefits that you, the independent members of parliament, who have signed a memorandum of understanding with the party, will get.
Ogu yahendera kushaba barukuru biragira mu kibina cya NRM okurekeraho kwiga nasabanyishengera batine kibina ahabwe imishango yo bururu.
Signing endagano iyo mukago narishi okwatanisa na NRM tukugira ngo tuturuba NRM turiya ba NRM konka nko ku members ba secretariat abantu bagambira izoba ahabwe nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe tukabasa ubutatunga flag kandi kutwabura kutunga flag twareba enjeru eyi abantu babene batukundamu hamwe na nenjeru eyakaruru katirwemu aka NRM twashanga ngo akarura ko karagizire management lungi abantu bakana batukunda byarigire mutu twabihikiriza ninga nyote nabihikiriza namanya ngo nazo mbantu bampereza karuru nasharamu nazo mbantu bampereza karuru mwe ndiyo niza kwijo mu parliament ninguza kwija mu independent. Yes, independent by law, but I am NRM by philosophy, by principle, by ideology.
Kandi warukure biragira mu kibina cya NRM Enoch Barata yagira ngo endagane jiba akorati yo kubahindura kuzo mu kibina cya NRM bitune yanyekundire kantaro kifebero cyo na hamuntu ragende umugandi babarukwenda kwesimba mu karura ka East African Legislative Assembly mu kibina cya NRM abaru mu Rosemary Nyakikongoro na Rwakizi James bagamba habarukwenda gukora ebirumo kwinjiza by'ubushubuzo mu mahangaga okuhama ibyo kwerinda nebindi.
So nkanye umwesimbi nyorekirire kugira ngo really ubwebembezo bumbenye no parliament ya Uganda experience y'inkino mu parliament ya Uganda neja kunyamba okuregistratinga ninga okutensa aha East African community. Ati East African community noreba abantu bingi tubakucenga ko gamba East African Legislative Assembly ne abantu bakucenga citizens bashimiye kugifiringa bakamanya ngo ne kora ki ne gasha ki kandi netensa ki icyo kubanza cya byona hariho ebiragire bikwatirine na mnonga emshubiragano yitu yo mu East Africa nore twantugamba ngo yes taxes abantu bashashura nangu abantu baryaweya konka hari ibindi bitekereza abantu ngana tariff barriers katugire ngo muntu yarga bondu buryo yarga shema yarga nkahi nanda kutware mushuburo ye kugitwara Kenya Tanzania border hari ibindi bikubateganza na mnonga okureba ngo babikiriyaringa ibyagenda
ningashi ubutebeka nsikicweka cyitu cya East Africa kushanga ngo tutwine mu ntaro tutwine mu buhekera bwona kandi kitubeka ntatuta twatwine amahanga nkashatu gaine defense forces kutaho East African standby force eri kwikirizwa kuza Congo ekaza Kigali ekaza South Sudan ekaza Kenya ekarwanisa negative forces ezo ekaziya ikicweka kikatebekana.
Ecyo nikije bwo nyuma y'abanyishengero babiri abarumuka koza James hamwe na Dennis Namara ababiri bari mu parliamenteji okurekura bwa nyuma kusinga karura kahwire omura Erdare Buganda hamwe na Buyaga West constituency mu district ya Kagadi gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.